Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today I'm super excited. I am going to be opening up my 2018 Beautylish Lucky Box. Check out this adorable packaging. I've been super good about skipping over spoilers online and on Reddit, so I have no idea what other people have been getting, and I just want to get in there and open this up. So let's go. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky bag is brought to you by the 7 Lucky Gods. This is from Beautylish. Beautylish is an online retailer. They sell a lot of higher end beauty brands and some more unusual beauty brands. They're popular here in Canada because you can get a lot of brands that we normally wouldn't have access to. If you're interested in seeing what other people got, you can check out the hashtag LuckyBag2018 or head over to the Beauty Boxes subreddit on Reddit. Let's open this up. Opening up the box, it's lined with this paper. Alright, so here is the first actual item contained. Oh, it looks like all the items are actually contained here. Check this out. I just literally used up my previous Clean Apothecary brush shampoo completely all out, and I put off buying a new one just in case they decided to put a new one in this year's box. This is grapefruit smelling, so I'm actually really pleased. I had a hunch that they might recycle items in this way, so I'm really excited about this. I really loved my previous boxes brush shampoo. I think these are really great, and I would repurchase it on its own. Off to a really great start. Let me do a running total of how much all these items actually cost as well. That one retails for $15 US. So let me plug that into my calculator. Can I change it to Canadian prices actually? Oh well, we'll just stick to US prices. So $15 US. Next we have from Scandinavia the makeup finishing spray. This says bridal. I don't know if that's the scent or what. It claims to be a fine mist, oil-free and paraben-free. Shake well. It's 118 milliliters. Specifically designed to resist the effects of excess moisture. Oh, that sounds promising. Our bridal mist helps keep makeup looking flawless and photo ready. Absorbs quickly and lasts for up to 16 hours for all skin types. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how much that one retails for. Scandinavia Bridal. So it comes in 2 sizes. The smaller size retails for $30. I have a Wayne Goss brush, and it's actually a really unusual shape here. Interesting. It's like a blending brush, but it's really thin and kind of long. It's really interesting. As I venture more into eye makeup, I've noticed that using smaller tipped brushes has really helped me place my eyeshadow, because my lids are actually pretty tiny and I have a lot of skin in between my crease, I guess, and my eyebrow. So working just on my lid, I think a tiny brush like this will be pretty helpful. This is number 19 from Wayne Goss. It's a $23 US brush. So it actually says on the description that it's designed with small and hooded eyes in mind. Aside from the couple of e.l.f. brushes that I have that are tiny blending brushes, I never really thought that other brands would have something specifically made for hooded eyes. Next I have this. This is from Nude Sticks. This is a gel color lip and cheek balm. Nude Sticks is actually a Canadian company. This is in the color Rebel. I've never purchased anything from them. Comes with an instruction sheet and just some information about the brand, I guess. Here is what actually comes in the tube. There's like a tiny thing and the actual gel color. Have any of my fellow Canadians tried or even heard of Nude Sticks? Okay, like a pink crayon. That's a nice color. Kind kind of like a pinky rose, but also very, I like it. It feels nice. Should I put some on my cheeks? I don't want to put some on my cheeks. I'm actually not wearing makeup right now. I'm like loaded up with moisturizer. So I feel like I'm kind of sticky and gross. And they also give you, oh, this is just a sharpener, I guess. I did not expect that at all. So a sharpener for your gel crayon. So it's not a twist up, I guess. I don't know. I prefer twist ups. I don't really like cutting through these big tubes. But we'll see how it goes. I like that it comes in this metal tin. It kind of reminds me of the hard candy tins. So very nice, and excited to try a product from a Canadian company. Check the price of those nude sticks. So these are $24 US. It looks like it comes in 8 different shades if you're interested. A lot of pinks and nudes, and it looks like a 1 red and 1 berry color as well. Let's add that to our running total. Okay, so then we have this guy. It is bubble wrapped nice and tight. This is an Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. Looks like a toothpaste almost. It says it's paraben free, phthalate free, sulfate free, no animal testing, artificial fragrance free. It's 4 fluid ounces. Purify, hydrate, exfoliate, and clear. It says it's designed to wash away dirt and makeup. A simple, effective cleaner delivers antioxidants and gently exfoliates for brighter and clearer, healthier skin. Cool. I've never heard of the brand Indie Lee before. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful glass bottle with a pump, which I really like. I'm gonna pump a tiny bit out. It looks like just a clear gel. There's no microbeads or anything in there. It smells divine. Love the bottle. It's gonna look fantastic on my vanity. Let's see how much this guy costs. Skincare is one of those things that, like, if I did get it in a beauty box and it's super expensive, I can pretty much guarantee I'm not gonna repurchase, because I do believe skincare has to be pretty simple and pretty affordable. So they have a rose hip cleanser and a brightening cleanser, and they are $32 US. Okay, now this item I have a little bit of mixed feelings about, so I'm just gonna tell you what I feel about it. It looks like it is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette, which is interesting because I got the Jeffree Star Androgyny liquid lipstick last Beautylish box. I'll show you the ingredients and everything. So it's 10 shades. They're vegan and cruelty-free, long-lasting, buttery and delicious. I personally do not support the brand Jeffree Star on my channel anymore. I previously had bought some of his liquid lipsticks in the past, and I've done some wear tests them on my channel, which are still up. But after learning a little bit more about Jeffree Star, I found out some of his past actions, which have been overtly racist and misogynistic. Even some of his actions today. Yeah, there you go. If you want to dig a little deeper, I will leave that up to you. If you support his brand, that is totally your choice. I know there's a lot of complicated nuances that go into what brands you support. Personally, this is my choice, so I do not support Jeffree Star. But let's see how much that one costs. The Androgyny palette is $45 US. And here is the last item, and you know what? I can see the logo through the paper. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. I've never tried a product from her before, and I think this is, yes, the Bar of Gold highlighter, which she got a lot of flack for because it's a super expensive highlighter. I don't know how expensive it is. We'll check in a second. But it comes in this like little cardboard box, which isn't the most luxe. It actually feels more well made than I expected for all the flack it gets. And it is magnetized. There's a look at all the ingredients. It's made in Italy. It's called Bar of Gold. Let's swatch this bad boy. It's actually a little bit grittier than I expected it to be. Can you guys see that there? It's a little bit on my cheeks. I guess it's not gritty. It's just not like super, it's just not really creamy feeling. I think it's going to be a nice highlight for me. I definitely don't need any more highlights, that's for sure. But I'm super excited to try something from Charlotte Tilbury, and if you guys want a wear test on this guy, I'd totally be down to doing that. Let's see just how much that highlighter is. It's $42 for that guy. Okay, so here's the details. I purchased this box on December 26th, and they send an email when they open up the boxes because, I don't know, do they sell it fast? I don't know. I just bought mine when they sent me the email because I knew from last year that I was going to get one this year. So I bought the International Beautylish Lucky Bag in fair to medium. This was the first year that they had a fair to medium option and a medium to dark option. I paid $75 for the box, $3.75 for duties and taxes, and $15 for shipping. So the total after everything was $93.75. What is $93.75 US dollars in Canadian dollars?
These came back from a search.
You're not going to do it for me? What is this website? Okay, that is $116.46 that I paid to receive the box. Let's just round that up to $120. If I bought everything separately, it would be $210 from US dollars to Canadian dollars. So that would be $260.87. So let's just round that down to $260. So what was the first one I said? $120. Theoretically, $260 minus $120. I got a deal on about $140 worth of product. So yeah, I doubled my investment according to my math. Is that how that works? I don't know. It's weird with beauty boxes because there are products that you might not necessarily want or get, but then you do get a deal on things that you may not purchase outright for yourself, but that you'd be excited to have and use. So let me see if I can hold all of these products up for you for a little recap here. No. Alright, there is a look at everything. I hope you enjoyed unboxing my 2018 Lucky Box with me. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you'd like to see more beauty content like this from me. Of course, if you want to see what I unboxed last year, I'll link that up here. I actually did pretty well with going through and using up all of those products. And I think I got pretty good value for my money in terms of all the products that I received here. If you guys have thoughts or opinions on any of that, I would love to hear what you guys think. You can definitely leave them down in the comments below. And aside from that, you guys, I will see you all in Monday's beauty video. Bye for now.